बैल गाड़ी को मारने के लिए झुका।
The bull bent to maul the car. The bull bent to maul the car.
मैं अपनी क्लास का सबसे छोटा तालिब इल्म हूँ।
I am the shortest student in my class. I am the shortest student in my class.
वो खड़े होने से पहले कराहा।
He groaned before standing up. He groaned before standing up.
वो बच्चों को मसरूफ रखने में कामयाब रही।
She managed to keep the children busy. She managed to keep the children busy.
गाय ने अज़ियत से पुकारा।
The cow cried out in agony. The cow cried out in agony.
वो गाड़ी गैराज में ले गया।
He drove the car into the garage. He drove the car into the garage.
मुझे दीवार की तरफ धक्का दिया गया।
I was pushed against the wall. I was pushed against the wall.
बड़े बच्चों ने गेंद को दूर फेंक दिया।
The older kids threw the ball away. The older kids threw the ball away.
टेलीविजन को देखो।
Look at the television. Look at the television.
वो हट एंड रन के झटके से लरज़ गया।
He was shaken from the shock of the hit and run. He was shaken from the shock of the hit and run.